So in this video, I'm going to talk about custom list, and we have data here that is containing month of joining, employee ID, employee name, and designation. So if you are told to solve this data by month of joining, probably would click on any cell under the month of joining. Then on your top right, go to sort and filter. Then you can either sort from A to Z or Z to A. Once you do that, you're going to realize that the data is going to be sorted alphabetically. And this is not exactly what we wanted. We wanted to know how many people have been hired every month. And then we can use the sort option that we used here to know the number of people who have been hired every month. So we need to find another way. And this is where the custom list comes in. So to use a custom list, you need to click on any cell under month of joining, then custom sort and filter, then custom sort. The first thing to specify is the month of joining. So here we're going to sort by the month of joining. And then sort on, we're going to we are sorting these by cell values. And instead of choosing sort A to Z or Z to A, then we are going to have the custom list. And then we choose the custom list that we want to sort by. Like you can see, there is days of the week, and we have months of the year. So I'm going to choose months of the year. So you see, like these are the list of entries from January all the way to December. Then okay. So once you do that, you're going to realize that all the data or all the people who have been hired in the month of January are 3. The people who have been hired in the month of Feb are also 3. The same applies to the month of March. This is what is called custom list in sorting.